Hey baking friends, ready to dive into something sweet and irresistibly fun? Today I'm going to show you how to make safe-to-eat sugar cookie dough right at home. Trust me, it's going to be a game changer for those cookie cravings. First things first, safety. We need to make sure we're using heat-treated flour and pasteurized eggs. This way we can enjoy our cookie dough without worrying about any nasty stuff. Alright, let's get into it. Grab a mixing bowl and toss in 1 cup of heat-treated flour, half a cup of softened butter, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Cream those together until it's nice and fluffy. Now add in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all until it's smooth and creamy. Oh, and don't forget a handful of mini chocolate chips or sprinkles for that extra fun touch. Give it a taste. I know you want to. It's delicious, right? And the best part? You can eat it straight from the bowl or roll it into little dough balls for snacking later. This edible sugar cookie dough is perfect for movie nights, a quick sweet fix, or even as a fun topping for your favorite ice cream. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead, whip up a batch and enjoy every single bite. And hey, if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more yummy treats, and drop a comment below with your favorite cookie dough mix-ins. Happy baking, everyone! Catch you in the next video!